again welcome back to our online class. So I hope you all have enjoyed your Diwali holidays, right? So let's come back to our study. So today I'm going to teach you the same chapter, that is measurement, and the subtopic is different. Okay, it is the continuation of same chapter, that is from chapter number 9. Okay, and today I'm going to teach you from page number 150. You can refer your book page number 150. So last time I taught you about how to compare length, how to compare mass and weight, isn't it? How to compare length by using different objects, right? How to measure weight by using the weighing balance, right? So I taught you about how to balance the weight, whether it is heavier, whether it is lighter, whether it is long, whether it is short, right? So today we are going to learn comparing volume, and volume is also known as capacity. Okay, it is also known as capacity. So we are going to learn comparing capacity. Okay, so I have written some definition over here. You can look here. Capacity tells us how much water a container holds. Okay, once again, capacity tells us how much water a container holds. The volume. Let's read the volume. What is the definition of volume? Volume tells us how much water a container holds. Okay, volume tells us how much water a container holds. These both definitions are same. Okay, that's why I told you the volume is also known as capacity. Capacity tells us how much water a container holds. Okay. For example, you can see here. Look at these given containers. Which container is holding more water and which container is holding less water? Here we can observe that this first container is holding more water and this second glass, okay, second container is holding less water. Okay, look here. This is the measurement of how to measure the capacity. Okay, this first object, this first glass is containing more water and this second glass is containing less water. Okay, so we observed that how much a container holds. Okay, how much water a container holds. Okay, here the same, that is volume tells us how much water a container holds. Okay, so here we can see the volume of this one. The volume of the first glass is, you can see here over here. First example, this full water is over here. Okay, and this is small glass holding water. Okay, so here you can see that first glass is holding more water and the second glass is holding less water. This first glass is holding more water and the second glass is holding less water. So here we can observe that a big container can hold more water, okay, and this small container can hold less water. That's why it is said that volume tells us how much a container, how much a water container holds. Okay, means this big glass can contain more water and this small glass can contain less water. Okay, so we observed that a big container can hold more water, right? A small container can hold less water, right? So now I told you, I wrote the definition of capacity over here. Once again I am going to teach you. Capacity tells us how much water a container can hold. Okay, so here this is the bigger glass. Okay, once again I am showing you the same example. This glass is big. Okay, so it can hold more water. Okay, and this small glass can hold less water. Okay, so it differs from object to object. Okay, lesser the object, less the object means smaller the object, lesser the water it can hold. Okay, so bigger the object, okay, bigger the object, okay, more water it can hold. Okay, so these are the example of capacity, comparing capacity and comparing volume. Okay, this capacity and volume are the same thing which we learned today. So I want you to write this definition. Okay, write this definition in your maths copy, and you can do your own example at home using big object or small object, and you can see that how much a water it can hold. Okay, like big glass can contain, it holds more water, and small glass it can hold less water. Okay, so you can do your own example at home using different objects, okay, different container, and you can see how much the water it can hold. Okay, see you, thank you.